To explain the delete cascade way, I have to go to two different tables, which is one of them parent table, the other one is child table. A parent table is like department. A parent table is like DPT, depth, that we have on the object that you have in your account. And a parent table is a table like this one. I just extract this one from department table. A parent table is a table that you have a primary key and you have a location which is not primary key. This primary key right here pointed as a foreign key in another table. So this table is child table. For example, this employee, this employee, this employee, these are all these three employees belong to the department 1. Department ID 1. Department ID 1 located at Houston. This the employee ID 300 and 400, 300 belong to department 2. This is one extra row which is we should get rid of. So this one belongs to table 2. Now question is this one. If I remove the Houston, the row department ID 1 Houston, should automatically the trigger fire and remove all department 1 from my employee ID? Since I don't have any location anymore department located in Houston, why should I keep the wrong data for me on sync data and the integrity violated, and I have some employee in the Houston with the department ID 1. However, the department ID 1 doesn't exist in the parent table. So the parent table is the primary key table, which is a foreign key in the child table. Let's go ahead and create the parent table and the child table. To create the parent table is pretty simple. I'm going to drop the table parent and create a table parent with the department ID primary key and location varchar 20. So I'm going to copy paste these two options in my body. Let me bring the body in your screen. Right click, paste. Table already used. Okay, let's say let me retry again. Well, the reason I attempting to drop the table is parent, but there is going to tell me the table is used by existing object. So the department table, the child table exists. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get rid of the child table. As a result, then it's going to allow me to get rid of the parent table. So first I drop the child table, then I can get rid of the department parent table and recreate the parent table. Now in this stage, I'll be able to put the remove the parent table. So I create the parent table. Let's go insert 1, 2, 3 department in this table, 3 row. I'm going to copy paste inserting 3 row in this table, 3 row, commit. I commit in 3 rows, select asterisk from parent, select asterisk. Let me use my glass on. Select asterisk from parent. And you're going to see we create the parent table. Now to create the child table, there are some school of thought. The school of thought are as follow. I may go say, okay, when I create the table, let me move this one a little bit this side, bring this screen, resize this screen, and move this screen a little bit out, and resize this screen so you'll be able to see both. Now I want to create the child table. There are three schools of the thought that you can create the child table. The child table, I can put the option create the child table with this 3 column, as you're going to see right here. Let me move, you already know the parent table. This child table with 3 columns, employee ID, salary, and department. And then I'm going to put the constraint foreign key pointed to the foreign key department ID reference on the parent table on delete cascade. So it means if I remove department history row, department ID 1, automatically it going to remove the all 3 for me from right here. And if I remove, this is one, the school of the thought. Second school of the thought is this one that I'm going to say on delete cascade set to null. When I removing department history, this department ID, all of them set it to null. This is 2 school. And the third option, just going to be generate a table, reference table child, reference table parent, this employee ID referencing parent table, column, department ID. This is 3 different type of the option, that 3 school of thought that we have. The one that I will show it to you, that reference, and it won't let me to drop the parent table unless I remove the child table. It was this option, which I tried that one. Let's go ahead and try the first option. Let's go try the first option and see what's going to happen. I'm going to copy this one. Okay, let's go copy and paste this one to Putty. We create the table employee, and on this option we use the on delete cascade. On delete cascade, let's go ahead and insert 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to insert 3 2 times this 3 employee 100, 200, 300. I'm going to insert this table, this rows. Let me see what's happening. Let's go ahead and let me see what's I'm doing wrong. Let's describe the child. Let's see child table exists. Yes, it exists. Oh, okay, I know where I'm making mistake. The table that I created, I have to do a tiny change. Let me go ahead and recreate the table, I suppose, because 1000 that I'm putting, one salary 1000 is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2 fraction digits, so it should be 6, not 5. So let me go ahead and recreate the table child. I'm going to recreate the table child. I hope it won't generate any error for me. No. Good. So I'm going to copy right now. I'll be able to copy and insert the rows. Now let's select asterisk from child, and I have 3 rows. Now this 3 row child pointed to the parent table department. Let's go ahead, delete a row from the table from parent table. Delete from parent where deptid equal to 1. Now let's go ahead back up and look at the, if you remember right here we had 3 rows inserted. Now let me go ahead and look at, see what is, how many rows we have in the select asterisk from child table, and you will see the 300 remaining, the department 300 remaining, because only department 2 exists. Department 1, which was histone, is gone. This is this option on delete cascade. If I'm going to use the option create drop the table and recreate the table and set up on delete set null, when I'm removing the histone, row histone from parent table, it's going to set up all this option to null. And if I'm going to try the option, this the third option, drop create and put reference key to the parent table, it won't let me to delete the row in one histone unless I'm going to removing the all the one off of this table, unless I remove the all from this table. So first I have to go to this table, remove this 3 row, then I can remove the row from histone in the second table. This is on option of data definition language. Another option also delete cascade we have in data definition language. I can use the delete drop user DE45830. If I try to drop this one DE45830 containing a lot of object like this option that you're going to see, if I attempting to remove this one, if I'm going to select asterisk from catalog, you're going to see I have 35 objects in the DE45830. The only way that I can get rid of the DE458 user DE45830, which you don't have the privilege, is that I have to use the option cascade. That's the topic regarding to the delete cascade, on delete cascade. Thank you.